Is your computer acting up on the network, and you need its MAC address to fix it? Don't worry, finding your MAC address in Windows 11 is easier than you think. First, let's use the command prompt. The quickest method: go down to your search bar, located at the bottom of your screen. Type CMD. The command prompt app will appear in the search results. Click on command prompt to open it. A black window will appear. Now, type get MAC into the command prompt. Make sure there are no typos and press enter. In the results, look for the physical address column. The numbers and letters listed there are your MAC address. It's a 12-character hexadecimal address, usually displayed with hyphens between each pair of characters. There's another way to find your MAC address. Through the Settings app, click on the Start button, and then click on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Settings window, click on Network and Internet on the left side, then click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depending on how you're connected to the Internet. Next, click on your connection name, and scroll down until you see Physical Address MAC. This is your MAC address. See, finding your MAC address in Windows 11 is simple. Whether you use the command prompt or the Settings app, you now have the information you need. Good luck.